Hey, Bolo Buddies. Thanks for watching. Have you guys ever thought about selling stuffed animals online to make a profit? Buy them cheap, sell them high. One thing that's great about stuffed animals is they are easy to find, easy to list, and easy to ship. Are they always easy to sell? No. A lot of plush stuffed animals are long tail. However, some of them can go for really good profits. Big money, some of them just bread and butter. Quick sales, sometimes, yeah. It really just depends. But one thing about selling stuffed animals and plush is you've got to have room to store them because a lot of times they are long tail, meaning they might take a little while to sell. So let's go ahead and talk about my Bolo Buddies Facebook group. If you're not in it, come on over and join. Uh, if you would like to share a Bolo, I have just an anything share post as far as anything you sold on eBay for big money. That is different than this post. This one is only for plush. So you will find two posts at the top of the Facebook group under the announcements featured section. Come on over, share your Bolo. I'll feature it in a video like this. Shout out your social media. Um, that includes like Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, wherever you want to kind of advertise what you're doing, shout yourself out and I will mention it if you include it in your post. So let's talk about the first Bolo. If you're not in the Facebook group, it's under my link tree in the description. It is free to join. Build a Bear Workshop, Pumpkin Nose Plush Bear. We talked about this one in another video. A lot of people find these. They are not super hard to find, but they are still bringing in a nice little return. There's another one, and I always forget. It's more like it's shaped differently. Is it? It's not a lion. What is it? Oh my goodness. Somebody just told me what it was and I can't remember. But it's got pumpkins on it. If you see a Build-A-Bear with pumpkins on it, look it up. It's a cat. It's a cat. A lion. The cat goes for more than the bear. But look for it. Got it for free from a retired reseller and a lot of several plush. Sold for 60 on eBay. This one comes from Doughboy's Treasures. The cat goes for more. Oh my goodness, that was hilarious. All right. Disney Store Japan, Mickey Mouse plush 90 Years of Magic, Angry Rival 1936 is what the title says. Paid $4 for this Mickey from an online auction, sold in one day for full asking price of $30 plus shipping. I am BLMS resale on Poshmark, Mercari, eBay, and knickknacks. Okay, so is this a huge money Bolo? No, but she got it for $4, sold it for $30. That's a nice little flip. New with tags probably helped on this one, but definitely do your research for any of the Disney characters. Jellycat. I love Jellycat. I have a whole video talking about big money Jellycat. Type in Bolo Buddies Jellycat if you want to see some that go for over 100. Jellycat, Yanny Yeti. I always struggle with this word. Abominable snowman. Bigfoot. It's Bigfoot. He's a plush. Picked up all Jellycats hoping for a good one, but most are just 12 to 20 bucks. So this is my first big money Jellycat. Bought at the bins for $1.89 a pound. Took a few weeks to sell. Best offer of 70. Yes, there are lots of bread and butter Jellycat, but they're just so cute. You can't pass them up. Lisa Frank. Yes, I just sold a big money Lisa Frank. It was missing the tush tag and I sold it on Poshmark. So if you're not on Poshmark, if you're not on Mercari, definitely think about getting on those other platforms. I have a video that talks about Build-A-Bear and how a lot of times the Build-A-Bear sell for more on Mercari. A lot of times these items are flooded on eBay and they will sell for more on the other smaller platforms. Now, if you're not already on Mercari, there's no selling fees anymore. What do you guys think about the new fees for the buyer? As a buyer, I don't like it at all. As a seller on Mercari, no selling fees is great. I don't know. Are you guys seeing a decrease in sales on these platforms since they have made the change? Let me know down in the comments. I think that no matter what, people are going to adapt and we're still going to be able to sell things. I know that one time I sold something it was a stuffed animal for, I think it was $90 or $80. And I got the entire $80 or $90 into my account. I thought that was really fabulous. So I guess it all works out. I make more selling on Mercari, but I have to spend a little more to buy. I have noticed that what they're recommending is for sellers to decrease their prices to make up for the change. So if you're not on I'm not Whatnot. I just had a Whatnot thing pop up. If you are not on Mercari and you'd like to join Mercari, there is a referral link down below. You'll get $10 to shop if you use that to join, and another $20 to shop when you sell $100 worth of stuff on Mercari. You got to use my link. That's a referral link down below. I will also get money to shop if you use that. And but you have to use it and actually use it. That's the only way I get money to shop. So it's not just like click on the link and you join and I get it. You have to buy something and then you have to sell $100 worth of stuff. But it's great because we both get money to shop. So thank you for using my referral links. And Poshmark, $10 to shop if you use my referral links. So those links are down below. And then once you guys join those platforms, you guys also have referral links that you can share out with your friends and also get that same deal. So she said, I picked this up at the Goodwill bins, paid less than $1, sold within 2 weeks for 48 plus shipping. Yes, Lisa Frank is a BOLO. This one looks like a newer one. Some of the old stuff can go for crazy money. Type in BOLO Buddies Lisa Frank and I'll show you some big money BOLOs. This is a 1989 vintage Angelina ballerina. Paid $2 for it at the Goodwill and it sold for 35. So again, not huge money, but these items are easy to list, easy to ship, and easy to find in most cases. My battery thing just came on, so hopefully we're going to make it through this video. Rare 1989 Avanti limited edition. I think this is a cat. Paid $1 for it, sold in less than 24 hours for full asking price. So maybe they could have got more for this one. You just never know. Sometimes auction, if you can't find anything like your item, try an auction and start it high. Care Bear, Build-A-Bear, Grumpy Bear, no sound, good condition. So sound was broke. Priced using Terapeak because at the time comps were all over the place, and sound versus no sound. Took a best offer of 150. Picked it up at the Goodwill for $1. This is from Lucky Scavengers on eBay. Grumpy Bear. Who wants a Grumpy Bear? I remember Grumpy Bear. I think Grumpy Bear was one of my favorites when I was a kid. Paid 12 for these from an online auction, sold in a month for full asking of 50 plus shipping. The valuable one in the bundle is the Three Musketeers Donald. IMBLMS resale on Poshmark, Mercari, eBay, and knickknacks. So she's saying, I think this guy is the one that's worth the most. I found these new in the box, 26 of them, vintage Furbies. 60 for all of them at a garage sale. Oh, what a score. Sold 4 so far for $229 plus buyer's paid shipping. eBay store is Sweet Lolo's. Or I'm sorry, Sweet Lola Bees. That is fabulous. Yeah, vintage Furbies can definitely be a moneymaker. Here is the kitty. It's a kitty cat. Here it is, guys. Hi, Courtney. I saw a BOLO from a mile away in the bins. I couldn't get it fast enough. It sold very quickly. Listed for 130 and took a best offer of 95. Thank you so much for your educational videos. Without them, I never would have known. There's the cat. So we had the bear and the cat. So yes, the cat sells for more. The next item is this vintage 1997 Steiff Mohair Rudolph. Is this not the cutest thing you've ever seen? It's boxed with the certificate. Bought at a garage sale for $5. Oh my goodness, who sells Steiff for $5? I want to go to that garage sale. Listed for $299, got an offer of $255 in 1 week. Received positive feedback. My highest plush sale. Oh my goodness, that is fabulous. Good job. Vintage Neopets 10-inch black, gray, white shadow cougar plush stuffed animal, 2003. This is an October sale. Neopets 10-inch shadow. Bought at the bins for $1.89 a pound, weighs 11 ounces, so about $1. Only one had sold for 130, so I listed the same. Took 2 months, got an offer for 102. Took buyer 5 days to pay. So I was nervous that it wasn't going to happen. Thank you, Courtney, for offering these posts to learn and have someone who understands my excitement. Yes, isn't it fun to share those big money BOLOs and just get the word out and, just collaborate with other sellers? Super fun. This one is a Build-A-Bear. It's another one with the print, guys. Pumpkin, or let's see, Halloween Possum Pumpkin Bear, 2006. Bought on Facebook for $5, sold on Mercari for $34. Piece of scrap on YouTube and Mercari. So she bought it on Facebook and sold it on Mercari. Again, Mercari is great, great, great. All right, what's the last one here? Rare Mary Meyer 1996 Sandwich Peanut Butter and Jelly Bear. Food for Thought plush. That is funny. Peanut butter and jelly. Oh, it's so cute. It's by Mary Meyer. I love it. Bought in a Mary Meyer plush with tags at our local thrift store for $1. I looked it up, none listed, and 2 had sold for 35 and 60. Listed mine for 60, sold in 2 days for full price. There it is. Wow, how cute is that? Peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Mary Meyer. Definitely look up Mary Meyer if you see it, guys. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Come on over to the Facebook group. Share your BOLO. Come over to Whatnot and hang out with me. I'm Bolo Buddies over there. There's a referral link down below. Get $15 to shop. I am going to be probably having some toy shows as Christmas gets closer. So I hope to see you guys at one of those shows. Thanks for watching.